Good morning, you lovely people. This video is about changing the look of my kitchen and conservatory. You can see behind me, it's very dark, very small, very tiny. I love that it's tiny. I love a tiny home. However, I want to bring the land into the home, and so in addition to sort of lifting it and knocking walls down and bringing light into the room, I want to bring the feel of the land here as well. I'm going to get stuck in myself because that's the best way to learn. I hope you're enjoying the journey. This is going to be split into two parts. This is part one. If you want to subscribe when part two is ready, then great, enjoy that too, and welcome. Lovely sunny day it is today. I'd like to point out that this room is absolutely chock-a-block, unpacked, unlivable, innable. Here we've got the clothes areas and the polycarbonate roof, which is going to be exchanged for glass. These beams will come out. This wall is coming out in the next few days. Radiator moved over and this wall will be coming down. You can see the door has already been removed. There's a lot of work to do, and the reason being, as you can see, I'm preparing seeds and potatoes for our winter. The room itself, I'll zoom out, is tiny. We've kind of put tape where we might want things. There is nowhere to put anything, nowhere to store anything. No storage at all, so we're going to solve that problem by going into our woods and building something to bring the land here. So I'll go around again. This wall will be coming out. It needs a lot of work, and watch this space to see how it looks in the end. Here we are in magical fairy forest, and I wanted to draw your attention to not only the sunset but this little guy here. Super big tree. You can see from the tip of my fingers to my elbow is 45 centimeters. It is good to know that. So if we go to there, it's a good 90 centimeters in diameter. And the poor guy fell. He was leaning, and it was all the way across this entrance where we clearly drive. It's getting boggy now. We had it chopped up because it was obviously fallen anyway, chopped up and taken away. And this is how we did it. Wow, it's an exciting day. All the trees that have fallen down and have been taken down on the land are now being collected to go off to the mill so I can do my winter project. piece is going in next. in diameter, and they're about to lift it on. Yay, here we go. Such a distraction, that horse. She's beautiful. Look at this grain. Another distraction. So I've got my stickers here. I'm popping them in between each layer. It takes about, I think about a year per inch to dry. It's kind of half seasoned anyway because the tree was down long before we harvested it to take to the sawmill. But I reckon that's going to take probably a good year left of seasoning before we can actually use it. But the reason we put all these stickers in is so that the air can circulate and then the weight will keep them flat, and hopefully we'll end up with a great piece that we can use for our next project. Again, super lucky, the land we have down in Fairy Forest, there's a pile of bricks that have been grown over by many trees, where maybe an agricultural worker lived there years ago. I think it was a pig hut or something. So all these bricks, I'm going to pick out the best ones, take them home and build a brick pillar around the rain burn in the kitchen. Another win. Just got to pick out the good ones. Oh, it's starting to rain. Oh, how nice. Oh, that feels really nice. These bricks were actually used this past summer and spring in the plot behind you to mark out pathways around the vegetables and things that we grew. So they're actually third hand. Oh, I'm loving this rain. It's sunny too, we're going to get a rainbow. I might need glasses. Can I borrow your glasses? Thank you. exciting. It's really, really difficult to see through these glasses.
You should use the earth.
What?
Are these sockets off now then?
Yes.
Yeah, that's fine. Yep.
Well, I've got to...
What we need is
God, Miss Jones. So builders are coming in tomorrow. I'm trying to get as much prep as I can done for when they get here so they can just crack on. They've asked us to get rid of the coving and sort of strip back the plaster to the wall so they can see where they need to go in. So we've told them where to start.